today I have another s'mores recipe for you. It's an oatmeal cookie s'mores bar. So it's oatmeal cookies with s'mores in the middle. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. So this is an epic cookie bar recipe. It's like a gooey bar, but it's s'mores. It's got oatmeal cookie on the top and the bottom, and it's sandwiched with marshmallow and chocolate. These are so delicious. I love them, and you are gonna love them too. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now let's get in the kitchen.
We're going to start off with a half of a cup of unsalted butter. Make sure that it's softened, and add a cup of brown sugar that's been packed. Mix that together until it's smooth and combined, and add in 1 large egg, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half of a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half of a teaspoon of salt. Mix that until the mixture is nice and smooth. And then we're going to mix in 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, along with 1 1/2 cups of quick cooking oats. Mix that until it's nice and combined. Then you're going to spray your hands with cooking spray, and you're going to press about half that mixture into the bottom of a 9 by 9 inch square pan that's been lined with foil or parchment and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. Just press it flat into the pan. Then you're going to top it with the s'mores. So we're going to add a 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. If it's hard to spread it, you can heat that in the microwave just for a few seconds to warm it, but just go ahead and empty the whole jar onto the bottom layer and spread that out until it's nice and smooth, leaving a little bit of a border around the edges. And then sprinkle it with a cup of chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet chocolate chips or milk chocolate chips. Then you're going to drop spoonfuls of the remaining cookie dough all over the top of the chocolate chips, and you're going to press it to compact it. Then you're going to bake this until they're nice and golden brown and no longer glossy in the center. Once they're completely cool, you can slice them and serve them.
Can you see how epic these are? They're so gooey. That marshmallowy chocolate center with those oatmeal cookies. Oh, so good. I know you're going to love them. Leave me a comment, let me know what other s'mores recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more cookie bar recipes.